In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Claude AI from saving chats. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the privacy setting that controls whether your conversations can be used to improve the model and how to turn it off for added peace of mind. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Claude AI. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, look for the legitimate Claude AI homepage. Make sure the address looks correct and you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar, which helps confirm you're on the right site. Once you're on the homepage, click the option to sign in. Choose Continue with Google if that's how you normally access your account. If you use a different sign-in method, that's fine too. The rest of the steps will be the same once you're logged in. If you're using a work or school account, keep in mind some settings may be managed by your organization. After you're signed in and on the main chat screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You should see your profile icon, typically showing your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a panel or page with several categories you can adjust. In the Settings view, navigate to the Privacy tab. This is where Claude groups controls related to data use and privacy preferences. Take a moment to scan what's shown here so you understand how your data is handled. Find the switch labeled Help Improve Claude. Toggle this off. Turning this off means your chats won't be used to help train or improve future versions of the model. It doesn't change how Claude responds to you during your sessions, and it won't affect your ability to use the product. Note that this control focuses on model improvement. It does not delete existing conversations or necessarily stop all forms of storage required to provide the service. For details on retention and deletion, check the provider's privacy policy or your account's data controls. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same privacy tab and toggle it back on. That's it. You searched for Claude AI, signed in, opened your profile menu, went to Settings, entered the Privacy tab, and turned off Help Improve Claude. With that switch off, you've taken a key step toward limiting how your chats are used behind the scenes.